Hello, and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Yeah, so Kaspa continues to push higher here into the Fibonacci extension zones that we discussed in the previous videos. We highlighted that the next target would likely be the 5.96 cent level, which is the 1.236 extension. And then maybe I should also add the 1.38 extension. Let me just add it. Which is at 6.52 cents and then 7.45. These are the next targets, as it seems like that the price is sort of manifesting itself above the previous swing high. I still leave the white wave count here on the chart, which is still a possibility that we are already in the fourth wave, and this is just a high B wave. But as already explained in the last video, if we get a break above the, what was it? The August high, then it will likely just extend higher in the third wave. Remember, we had two possibilities on the charts. We had either the scenario that we're already in the fourth wave, which was initially my preferred option because we came down so nicely here. It was a little bit weak though, but we came down nicely, then turned around, moved up a little higher than expected, and that's now where we are. And therefore I have to assume that this fourth wave has not started yet, actually. We're still in an extension of the third wave, and we're basically overall in a target zone for that third wave, yeah? So overall a target zone for this wave is between the 100% fib extension and the 161.8% fib extension. And that again is at between 5 cents and 7.45. This is a large area, but we already broke above 5 cents anyway, so it's really between 5.96 and 7.45 cents. We'll see if we get there. In the previous video, I gave you also a support level against which the focus can be on higher. That was the 61.8 retracement level at 3.8 cents. I have to move that up a little bit now, so support is now at 3.9 cents. So against that level, the focus can be on higher. A break below that level would be first piece of evidence that this wave 4 is actually in the making and that a top of some sort has been put in place. What I like about this is that it now provides a nice series of bearish divergences between all these previous swing highs. You can see this one, and this one created a lower high, and a lower high on the daily RSI. So it indicates that we're getting towards the end of this move. It's just, there's just no evidence at this stage that the move up has finished. But, this is the area where I'm watching for a top. That's also why I had watched for a top here. But it moved a little higher still. But overall, the bearish divergences are coming together nicely. And this wave 4 would just be most likely a setback and a correction within an overall uptrend, right? It's not like a crash or anything. It shouldn't be. Even though, of course, here on the logarithmic chart, such a pullback can be quite significant. Yeah, I mean, what are we talking about? If this fourth wave is really starting, then we're talking about the area between 2.9 cents and 1.5. So it would be quite significant. But in terms of the retracement levels on the log chart, actually just normal wave 4 corrections. And you can see why this move down was just not strong enough, because it didn't reach this support area. Yeah? It was just not enough for a wave 4. For a wave 4, I would have liked to see a stronger move down, yeah, something that is more substantial. We call it typically a healthy wave 4. So yeah, that's so far the update. So the focus can be on higher against the 61.8 retracement level that I showed you there. But we are now in the area where a pullback should happen at some point. Even though I have no evidence, therefore it is probably going to reach the next fib extension. And a very, very early indication that the trend might be changing to the downside is a break below this swing low at 4.46 cents. Yeah, that's my update about Kaspa. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.